What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today we have a very important Cardano video for you, and I want to talk to you about the Cardano price, currently trading at $1.11 at the time of this recording, coming off of the heels of the Coinbase listing on March 18th, which was just last week. We had another listing today on Coinio, and it seems like this has just been one of the, and there have been a few, but this has been one of the Cinderella stories in cryptocurrency. I mean, I was looking at this before. We've done basically a 10x just in 2021 alone, and we topped out at $1.50. So the question on everyone's mind, and that I'm gonna really get into during this video, is Cardano overvalued right now? And there's a lot of parts to this answer, so stick around. And if you're serious about including cryptocurrency in your overall wealth building strategy, definitely go ahead and subscribe to this channel in the lower right portion of your screen. We do cover Cardano regularly. So in this video, we are going to take a look at the roadmaps of Cardano. We're going to take a look at the current ecosystem of Ethereum. We're going to talk about some things that Hoskinson said recently about the dApps and the coming of Goguen, as that will be potentially rolling out by the end of this month. But before we do any of that, I want to talk about this idea of trading at a premium. Because if you don't understand this, you're going to think that Cardano is extremely overvalued, and you're just not going to understand why. And the arguments that I keep seeing people make is that Cardano currently has a $35 billion market cap, and that's after the dump today. So it was trading even higher than that. It was commanding more like $40 billion. And this is a project that doesn't have a functioning ecosystem yet. This happens all the time in the stock market. It certainly happens in cryptocurrency, and it's something that you guys really need to understand when you try and wrap your head around the prices that ADA is trading at. So what is a premium? So at a premium is a phrase attached to a variety of situations where a current value or transactional value of an asset is above its fundamental value. And I think that's certainly the case with Cardano right now. They have a lot of incredible things that are happening for them, but they are still in the beginning phases. And if I continue reading on here, you can see that there are a variety of situations where an asset trades at a premium to its fundamental value. So what is the fundamental value of ADA, right? What is ADA really worth? If Ethereum is trading at roughly $1,700 right now, well, that makes sense. Ethereum has a working product. It's got a fully functional ecosystem. It has certainly become the hub for not only NFTs, but certainly DeFi. So Ethereum has a lot going for it. Now, Cardano just has promise. So just off the top of my head, if we were going to value Cardano and not put this premium on it, I don't think it would be anywhere near $1. It might be closer to 40 cents. Right? It might be half this price. But we also know that Cardano was built by Charles Hoskinson, who was in the room with Vitalik and was one of the co-founders of Ethereum. And we know that he has been building this project slow and steady based on scientific researchers. They have researched over 100 scientific papers on Cardano. And those facts are making Cardano trade at a premium. People are buying this and valuating it according to where they think it could be. And by the way, when Goguen smart contracts are happening and we start to see things built on this, I think Cardano could still go a lot higher. Okay, if people are this excited now, that's a big deal, because if Cardano continues to deliver as they have been, right, we do have staking, right, and we are moving in the right direction. So if they keep doing what they've been doing, I think we can see this trade even higher. And so let's just take a look at what Cardano kind of has going for it right now. So here is the Cardano ecosystem. I want to take a look at this, and then I also want to take a look at Ethereum. You're going to see they've got partners, startups, oracles, some different exchanges that they're trading on. Of course, we've got Coinbase, their core organizations, things of that nature. They do have their Project Catalyst funding app, which is a great thing that allows token holders to vote and voice their opinion, kind of like a governance token, right? So there's a lot of good things happening here, but you're not seeing the apps. Now, let me show you very quickly what the Ethereum ecosystem looks like. And this is the thing that will drive Ethereum maximalists or Polkadot maximalists crazy. And let me just say something else on camera here. We are in this industry. I know I am, well, people come to it for different reasons, but I know I am in it to make money. And I want to see everybody here prosper. So I'm not here wishing harm on one project or another. In fact, you guys know I say this all the time. I own some Ethereum, I own some Polkadot, and I own some Cardano. I'm hedging my bets on all these, and I do hope they all succeed, and I do think it's possible that they all will. But people who are Ethereum maximalists, let's just take a look and see. So from someone who's been watching Ethereum trade sideways for months, and yes, it's moved up, but Ethereum really has been quiet as compared to the run-up that Cardano has had lately. So they're watching this, and they're thinking to themselves, there's nothing built on this. Like if you look at the apps here, what I want you to notice here is these are all dApps. So look at the exchanges, Uniswap, 1inch. I'm just going to name a few big names here. SushiSwap, Curve, right? Look at these projects. If you've been in cryptocurrency for any amount of time, you're seeing a bunch of names you recognize here. Matic, Ox. Look at all these stable coins, all the biggest ones in the world. DAI, Gemini, USDC, TrueUSD, Paxos, right? Look at all these projects. And we go back to the Cardano ecosystem, and yeah, it's exciting to look at, but it does not compare to Ethereum. Let's be real. It does not compare to Ethereum yet. So last night, Charles Hoskinson kind of addressed this idea of dApps and talked about this a little bit on his YouTube channel. So replying to remarks over the lack of dApps running on Cardano, IOHK CEO Charles Hoskinson responded by saying demand is so high, his firm cannot handle the applications flooding in. Hoskinson also said that criticisms of Cardano having no dApps are entirely unreasonable. This is a quote from Charles. Yet they say, what are the dApps running on Cardano? That's like saying you're opening a nightclub. You haven't opened it yet, and you say, how come no one's in your nightclub? And this is a very fair point, but, I see it all the time. When Cardano's price is just running and the other smart contract platforms like Polkadot and Ethereum lately are standing still, people become infuriated. So what is in the works? As I mentioned before, the Goguen era is expected to launch at the end of March. So far, IOHK hasn't confirmed or denied that they will meet this deadline, so we'll see if it actually happens then. But nonetheless, expectations are riding high. Once smart contracts are up and running, Cardano will be on even ground with its biggest rival, Ethereum. And even ground is a bit of an overstatement. In truth, I do believe Cardano is certainly behind Ethereum. At this point, Ethereum has definitely the first mover advantage when it comes to smart contracts and dApps, and that is kind of goes without saying, but hopefully this all makes sense to you. And so to answer the question, is Cardano overvalued right now? The answer is yes and no. The answer to me, of course, is that it's trading at a premium. Smash the like button if you found value in this video. Thanks for watching and enjoy the ride. Later, guys.